Hello friends, myself Sangram Kesari Mahapatra, industry expert from 9sem.com. I welcome you all in my another session. In this session I am going to explain another displacement type transducer or called position sensor. It is inductive proximity sensor. Before I start, I expect some questions that may arise during this topic. So what are those questions? What is proximity sensor? What is inductive proximity sensor? What is the working principle of inductive proximity sensor? How we can say that it is displacement transducer or position sensor? What is eddy current? What is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction? What is Lenz's law? Then start. First, proximity sensor. What is proximity sensor? Proximity sensor is a sensor which is able to detect the presence of objects without any physical contact. As you can see in the figure from right side, here the object is far away from the active surface of the proximity sensor. So the wire colored black, that means the proximity sensor is off condition, that is not sensing the metallic object. The movement in the left side of the figure, the movement of the object nearby the active surface of the proximity sensor, you can see the color changes, the color of the wire changes, that means the proximity sense the object, that means the proximity is on. Now come to another question. What is inductive proximity sensor? As the name suggests, inductive proximity sensor, so that a high frequency magnetic field is generated by a coil L fixed in the oscillation circuit. When a target approaches the magnetic field, an induction current, that is eddy current, flows in the target due to electromagnetic induction. As the target approaches the sensor, the induction current flow increases, which causes the load on the oscillation circuit to increase. Then oscillation attenuates or stops. The sensor detects this change in oscillation status with the amplitude detecting circuit and outputs a detection signal. So, as I have already told, it is based on certain magnetic principle. So, what is the working principle of inductive proximity sensor then? It works on both Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction and Lenz's law on eddy current. So, first, what is eddy current? An external magnetic field near a conductor, according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, it induces a circular currents called as eddy current inside the conductor. Then what is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction? Whenever a conductor are placed in a varying magnetic field, an electromagnetic force is induced, which is known as induced EMF. Yet, if the conductor circuit is closed, a current is also induced, which is called as induced current. Then what is Lenz's law? Lenz's law states that the direction of the electric current which is induced in a conductor by changing magnetic field is such that the magnetic field created by the induced current opposes the initial changing magnetic field. So Lenz's law may be seen with respect to Newton's third law. It is a similar case in case of Newton's third law in classical mechanics. What is Newton's third law says? Suppose if one object A exerts a force, let's say Fa on the second object B, then what will happen? B simultaneously exerts a force Fb on A. These two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. That means Fa is equal to negative of Fb. As you can see in the figure, two persons having involved by providing force to each other. Now come to the basic structure of a proximity sensor. The heart of the proximity sensor basically involves an inductive coil, which is nothing but a oscillator which is consisting of an inductive coil made of numerous strand of very fine copper wire. a capacitor for storing electrical charge, and an energy source to provide electrical excitation. The size of the inductive coil and the capacitor are matched to produce self-sustaining sine wave oscillation at a fixed frequency. The oscillation produces an electromagnetic field in front of the sensor because of the coil is located right behind the face of the sensor. Hence, the technical name of the face of the sensor is called as active surface. Now come to how inductive proximity sensor works. Before I explain, I put another thing, that means, as you know, it is based on eddy current. When eddy current are generated in the conductor by the time varying magnetic field, when induced nearby the conductor, the induced eddy current opposes those of the originating magnetic field. Hence, we use inside the proximity sensor the trigger or amplifier circuitry. This is basically signal conditioning purpose. Hence, it is used to monitor the amplitude of the oscillator, and at certain level the circuitry switches on or off according to the displacement of the metallic object. Now explain how inductive proximity sensor work. As you can see in the figure, there is a magnetic coil which is supplied by the AC signal to the coil. According to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, there will be a magnetic field generated inside the coil. As you can see, the blue line of the magnetic flux. If some metallic object is kept near the magnetic line of flux, what will happen? An eddy current will be generated in the metallic object due to the electromagnetic force created by the coil. Due to this eddy current generated by the metallic body, another magnetic field will be generated, as you can see in figure 2, denoted by eddy current magnetic field. Now, this eddy current magnetic field opposes the original electromagnetic field generated in the coil according to Lenz's law. Hence, overall EMF will decrease. According to this law, phi is equal to L into I. As phi increases, then obviously I decreases as L is constant. So, I decreases, the impedance of the system will increase, which will be the input value of the signal conditioning circuit. Now, calibration done in such a way that the distance between the metallic plate decreases, then phi will decrease and the impedance will increase. Hence, the change in impedance will act as an switching action of the proximity for on or off according to the movement of the object. Hence, the change in impedance will directly depends on the change in displacement of the metallic body with respect to proxy. Thus, the displacement of the metallic body with respect to the proximity active phase will leads to change in the impedance. Hence, the switching action or electrical action to be done for proximity sensor for on or off. Hence, here the displacement is converted to an electric signal for switching action of the proximity sensor on or off. That's why we called it as inductive proximity sensor as displacement transducer or position sensor. Detects the position of the metallic object. So, as I have already mentioned, the proximity sensor is used for detection of metallic object. There are various types of proximity sensor. There may be PNP. There are basically two types, PNP or NPN. And the wire configuration, it may be 2 wire, it may be 3 wire, as you can see in the figure. So, another thing of proximity sensor is that we use normally open, normally close. Then first, what is normally open? A switch output that is open, prohibiting current flow when the actuator is not present, and closes, allowing the current flow when an actuator is present. Then what is normally closed? A switch output that is closed, allowing current flow when no actuator is present, and opens, prohibiting current flow when an actuator is present. So, what is then PNP output? Transistor output that switches the positive voltage to the load. The load is connected between the output and the common current flows from the device output through the load to ground when the switch output is on, also known as current sourcing or positive switching. For NPN case, the alternative case is occurred. That means the load is connected between the positive supply and the output. As you can see in the figure, current flows from the load to the output to ground when the switch output is on, also known as current sinking or negative switching. So in the figure you can see normally open or normally closed proximity sensor. So in this way I can say the proximity sensor works. And what are the application of the proximity sensor? Basically it senses the metallic object. It is used in various operations in industrial field. In steel melting shop, basically it is used for detecting the position of the certain machines. Let's say if I call it in casting unit of SMS, there are various equipment that we need to the position feedback of those objects. Like there are dummy bar where we can say in the home position, disconnection position, and also in the TOCB we can say it is forward, reverse, up and down of TOCB. TOCB means turnover cooling bed. And also there is a CT, we call it as cross transfer, where we can use the proximity sensor for cross transfer up and down. As the moment of these machines operate, that means when up or down, when forward or reverse or at rest position, at that place if we fix the proxy, when this machinery object reach their destination, there will be sense of proximity sensor which will give a digital signal to the PLC that the machine is at its original position. In this way the proximity sensor detects the metallic object. This concludes my inductive proximity sensor. Okay, thank you.